Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our entrepreneurship lecture series. Today, we will discuss two more important tips for entrepreneurs. Tip number 7 is manage your finances wisely. Tip number 8 is build strong networks and relationships. Both tips are extremely important for turning a small business into a sustainable and profitable venture. Let's start with tip 7. Manage your finances wisely. Many startups fail not because of bad ideas, but because of poor financial management. As finance students, you already know that cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. Profit on paper is not enough. If cash is not available at the right time, the business cannot survive. Entrepreneurs must track cost, revenues, expenses, and cash flow regularly. For example, imagine a small online store. Sales are increasing, but the owner buys too much inventory and spends heavily on marketing. Cash gets blocked in stock. Bills cannot be paid. Even with good sales, the business faces problems. But with proper budgeting and financial planning, the owner controls expenses, manages working capital, and keeps emergency reserves. From a finance perspective, this improves liquidity, stability, and profitability. So remember, sales grow the business, but financial control saves the business. Now let's move to tip 8. Build strong networks and relationships. Entrepreneurship is not a solo journey. Success depends on people. Your network includes customers, suppliers, investors, mentors, and partners. Strong relationships create new opportunities. For example, a good supplier may give you better prices or flexible credit terms. An investor may provide funding. A mentor may guide you away from costly mistakes. Networking also increases trust and reputation in the market. Let's say a startup founder actively attends business events and connects with professionals. Through one contact, he finds a partnership that doubles his sales. This is the power of networking. In business and finance, we often say, your network is your net worth. So always communicate, collaborate, and maintain long-term relationships. To conclude, wise financial management keeps your business stable. Strong networks help your business grow. Both are equally important for entrepreneurial success. Thank you for listening. If you found this lecture helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and press the bell icon for more entrepreneurship lectures. See you in the next class.